Okay, so guys, when you get married, the tradition is something blue, something new, something old. So the old could be borrowed. So here is a beautiful rose garter. Isn't it beautiful? No, not now, but glory be to God. I feel like I want to preach, but this is gorgeous, and I can see that it's already blessed, and Marie will be placing that on her leg. And usually the garter, the guy takes it off. So